Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you a great place to visit located on the Black Sea region of Bulgaria called Nessebar. Then later we will also check out the center of Sunny Beach. Nessebar is a small town very close to Sunny Beach, which is a very popular holiday destination. Here is a quick tour of the room that costs just 50 Bulgarian leva per night. This is about 25 euros. For this price, I was happy. It has air conditioning, a fridge, a terrace, good views. What more do you want? The room also had a kettle and a TV. If you go online and look at somewhere like booking.com or something similar, you're likely to find something like this. As you can see, the views out the window really good, also from the terrace. If you're lucky, and especially if you have some food, you might have another guest. If you take a look at this map, you can see that Sunny Beach is located above Nessebar. You can see that Sunny Beach and Nessebar are very close to each other. First, we're going to explore Nessebar. This road that you can see right now is the main entrance to the old town of Nessebar. In this region, the summer season is the busiest time of the year for tourism. As you will see, right now it's not that busy, but I would expect it to get much busier in July and August. Even in September, people are here. Once you go into the center, you have small restaurants everywhere. And if you haven't tried Bulgarian food, then you will not be disappointed. I have heard multiple times that taxis in this area are very expensive. It probably is true, but I did see others take a taxi to the center of Sunny Beach for about 20 Bulgarian leva, 5 people. I don't think that's such a bad deal, but anyway, check the price before you travel, otherwise you may get charged more than you expect. The old town has many small streets and historical buildings everywhere. You are surrounded by the sea. It's normally very hot weather too here. In comparison to Sunny Beach, which is a short bus ride from here, it's super relaxed and really peaceful. The bus ticket is about 2 leva, which is about €1. Again, as you can see, there is not a lot going on here. Once things get busier, I would expect to see a lot more people and businesses open. This spot, you are close to the harbour, so if you like boats, this is definitely a place to check out. I believe that you are also able to travel to different places by boat from this point. Here you can see a nice piece of history that's still in good condition. I don't know how far the history dates back here, but I have read that some parts of the old town date back more than 3,000 years. Certainly not something that you see every day. As you can see, I was losing the light. I walked around some of the island and filmed what I could. As mentioned previously, there are small restaurants all over the place with good views of the sea. Welcome back to day 2. As you can see, the sun is shining, the views are great, super chilled out. Let me know in the comments section if you have visited Bulgaria before or if you are planning to come in the future. Just so you know, if you are driving, there are 2 car parks in the old town. They are not expensive and only cost 12 leva for 24 hours, so about €6. So for now, that's it with the old town of Nessebar. I know that there's so much more to show you here. I definitely want to come back again and see more. Now we are off to take a quick look at the central strip of Sunny Beach. I took the bus to the centre. It took less than 10 minutes. Really cheap and convenient. Again, not much going on here, but it will get much busier. This place never sleeps. You have bars and clubs everywhere. As more people come, it can get really lively, especially at night. I noticed that most of the tourists around here were English or speaking English. Also, I heard a little German. Beds everywhere. So that's it from Sunny Beach. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. Write in the comments what else you would like to see. I'll try and get back to everyone in the comments section. Until next time,